how I felt after losing my parents. Yes, I felt like I'm alone. I didn't know anyone to talk to or anyone to talk to indaba yesilungu. Mengenamuntu engakhuluma naye or anything else yabona. And abantu be like, qina, uyindoda and all those things. I'm like, ukuba indoda and all those things won't take away the pain ukuthi nginamali, angina next. At least if bekashone nginemali, maybe I have my own house or something like bashone ngisase I was still broke namanje ngisase life was better ngisenabazali was better ifridge belihlezi ligcwele bengihlezi nginempahla mingastresseki about imali all those things imali behlezi khona endlini when I lost my parents like izinto manje zicala ukuba nzima I can't afford anything ngapha ngithukwa amantombazane ngi-laughing stock yabona manje sengihlazo even my father I always thought to myself ukuthi if my father will see me the way ngakhona manje he will be very disappointed in me the way ngakhona manje anginaniksi yabona just imagine it's been years manje I think it's 2 years since my mother died kwele time lami ishone during COVID times esikhathi COVID people are losing a lot of families and all those things. That's when my father died. So only lami ishone last year January yabona abantu abaningi ma-comment bazothi I still fresh, you need to heal all those things. You will never heal, man, because yabona man, life has a lot of surprises, guys. Life imali ayikho. The worst part is for the financial part. Ngiyahlanganisa lokho ngiba nemali like ngaleso sikhathi into hlangani, you cry, uhlala endlini ukhale and all those things, and people see me as a happy person. Yes, that's my personality. I'm a hyper person, but iyabuya sometimes endaba ukuthi don't have parents, man. Iyabuya comes back to me ukuthi memories ayabuya. Bawuvula ifridge, you see I don't even open the fridge anymore because nix and you have to ubekezela ama-insult wathola kumantombazana and worse I get insult from abantu bathi ngiyiphara angina next umasaka yabona all those insults you have to uzibekezelele as a man noma ungabasheli ungaphuma kubo abantu batshela ukuthi I hate woman kanti woman are the one who hate me. Mina I'm only voicing out what I've been through in life yabona and when you speak but hey why ukhuluma those things you toxic, why are you exposing your personal things? If I kill myself tomorrow bazothi hi why bengakhuluma ngiyakhuluma manje I'm talking now but people ngiyazi ukuthi this video won't trend, it won't trend, you won't even reach 100 views on YouTube. That's where this video is going. I'll even do short reels after this. Yeah man, ikanjalo as life man is full of surprises, man. 1 minute you have parents, 1 minute you don't, man. Uyibona ulala ungadlanga sephela ngilala ngadlanga and all those things. Ngiyazi le video is going to be longer than my other videos. I just wanna talk into esifubeni sami has been that ngicabanga ngayo right now yabona ukuthi ngikwazi ukuba right ukuheala nami emoyeni yabona. I think I've found my purpose now for this YouTube channel. Instead of posting into this betayo jokes, time for serious conversations now because men abakhali all those things. This is my way of healing the pain that I'm going through. I don't have money noma ukuthi ngiyahlanganisa kuhlangana for that 2 minutes then kuyafana back to square one and then hlangana I'm trying ngiyazama as a man into zama ihlangane. Social media wise I'm trying to zama ihlangane, ngiyabhayisiseka industry. This industry hasn't been good to me for years now, but I'm still doing it. But why people want to quit? Even the content, but things are not going well in my life. I think I'm really gashi, and I don't know why. I isolate myself, from family, because kafana always the same. I don't want to get married. That thing of family, I don't want it, man, because kafana, like, it doesn't change anything. Yabona, leka sengiyibhildile, akunangane ngiyondlayo whatever mfitishi. I'm struggling alone. Yabona. Not that ngifuna ukuthi abantu bangiswele or anything else. Ukuthi nje, yeah, I had to do this video. Yes, le video ngibona ngathi is the most boring video in the world, but this is my truth. Ngibone ivideo kaShaba lapha on TikTok, yangi-inspire nami ukuthi ngenze this video namhlanje. I was like, ish, life is not going well, man. Ish, ngizamazambi kahle. Yazi, yo. Yeah, sorry for that. Ish, ngizamazambi kahle, man. Ish, yazi, I can't even call family but in sick, ask for help or whatever, because hi, windoda, hey, mulu iphandele, mulu ihlanganisele, all those things. Get those lecturers, man. It's hard, man. Doing things alone as a man is hard. Yabona nothiwa manje ngiyavuka ngibuye egaming, ngiba nemali serious. I won't get a woman, I won't get a child, because the pain I went through, no amount of therapy can fix this. Then no amount of, I sold everything to survive. I sold all my father's things, all my things. I sold them. And things say everything everything is sold. Yabona le fridge le ngithengile le semva kwami leli. Ngicabanga ukuthengisa manje. Because ihlezi li-empty, what's the point? Ngizolibeka for sale, ayikho lento futhi. Anginalutho, siza nukuba ne-fridge. Mhlawumbe nelangahlanga. Guys, yeah, guys, I'm not asking for donation. Angiceli ma donation. I was just ukusho nje what I'm going through, what I'm feeling, guys. Yabo in my current situation now, ukuthi try as hard as I can to push, mbekezele into zami zolunga one day, I suppose. Yeah, into zami zolunga nje. I'll keep updating you about my life and all those things. Ukuhamba kanjani, man? Life is not good, man. La makhaza anginangishihita, guys. Yo, guys, life is difficult, guys. Yeah, guys. I love you so much, my friends. Thank you for so much for supporting my channel. We are going to 800 subscribers now. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna be talking about life lessons and all those things. I'm gonna be doing a lot of content, comedy, but I meet people, because if you organize to somewhere, and all those things, I don't have the funds for it. So when I do content nabantu on set, or when I get that opportunity, I do it. Then when my videos amaning to record, yeah, that's why I'm doing videos alone. I want my cost, less costs. Hey, thank you for the video. Goodbye, guys. I love you so much. Please subscribe the channel, all those things. Nyaza angitwelanga a lot about my parents and all those things. Yeah, of course, side to talk about these things. Yes. Hey, thank you.